I've been exploring the VPN US mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. VPN US is a US-focused VPN app aimed at iPhone and iPad users who want a quick, one-tap way to secure their connection, especially on public Wi-Fi or mobile data. It offers a free plan with basic protection and short ads, plus a VIP option that unlocks 100+ global servers, removes ads always on auto connect, and promises faster, more stable connections for everyday browsing and apps. Core strengths include simple setup, one-tap connection, and a no-logs policy with AES2 to 56 encryption, which appeals to people who just want to hide their IP and feel safer on public networks without dealing with complex settings. The app is highly rated at 4.6 out of 5 from around 33,000 reviews, with many users praising its reliability and how it helps them stay connected in more restrictive environments. However, it is not without flaws. The free version relies on ads and limited features, so some users may find sessions interrupted or feel nudged toward VIP. As with many VPNs, there can still be occasional connection drops or slower speeds depending on server load. And VIP access involves a recurring subscription that may not suit everyone. Overall, if you value a straightforward, US-oriented VPN with strong ratings and an easy free entry point, this app is a solid choice, especially for casual browsing and securing public Wi-Fi. But if you need consistently high speeds, the widest range of international servers, or want to avoid subscriptions and in-app ads altogether, you may want to compare it with a few other VPN options before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.